Ever noticed ugly dents in your carpet after moving furniture? Tired of ugly dents in your carpet? Let's fix that with a simple ice cube hack. Hello and welcome to another episode of Gharpedia on Fix Carpet Dents with Ice Cubes. Furniture legs can crush the carpet fibers, leaving deep dents that don't bounce back easily. The trick is simple. Just place an ice cube or two directly onto the dent. As the ice melts, the water rehydrates the fibers. Leave the ice cube to melt slowly. This usually takes a couple of hours. The carpet absorbs the water, and the fibers start to rise again. Once the water has fully soaked in, fluff the carpet with your fingers or a spoon. Look at that, good as new. For deeper dents, repeat the process or use a hairdryer on low heat to speed up drying. Always blot excess water with a towel to avoid dampness. This ice cube hack is quick, budget-friendly, and chemical-free. Try it out and bring your carpet back to life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Gharpedia for more smart home hacks.